Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. JOOLA Pro 4 Pickleball Paddles. The JOOLA Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle Series is the brand's 4th generation lineup featuring a raw textured carbon fiber surface for enhanced spin and control, combined with a propulsion core and new Tech Flex Power (TFP) system that balance power with dwell time for improved feel. Available in 14mm, lighter, quicker, and 16mm, thicker, more stable and powerful options. The paddles are both UPAA and USA Pickleball approved for tournament play. The series comes in 4 shapes tailored to different playing styles: the Perseus, an elongated design offering excellent baseline power and precision; the Hyperion, also elongated but with an aerocurve edge for faster swings and net play; the Scorpius, a wide body paddle with a large sweet spot for control, forgiveness, and quick exchanges; and the Magnus, a power-focused elongated shape with extended reach but a shorter handle, ideal for aggressive drives. Together, these paddles cater to players seeking a mix of spin, power, and control, though elongated models carry higher swing weights and may be less maneuverable at the net, while wide-body versions sacrifice reach for forgiveness. Number 2. Professional Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. The professional carbon fiber pickleball paddle with honeycomb core is designed for players seeking a balance of power, spin, and control. Its carbon fiber surface provides a stiff, textured face that grips the ball for enhanced spin and precision, while the lightweight honeycomb core delivers strong shock absorption and stability for powerful yet controlled shots. Built to be both durable and maneuverable, this paddle reduces vibration, improves comfort during long matches, and maintains quick reaction speed at the net. Ideal for players who want high spin potential with reliable shot accuracy, it combines lightweight precision with enhanced power, making it suitable for competitive play and advanced performance on the court. Number 3. Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm Pickleball Paddle. The Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm pickleball paddle features a raw toe-rate T700 carbon fiber face with heat-compressed texturing for maximum spin and control, paired with a 16mm optimized C7 polymer honeycomb core that delivers stability and consistent response. Its foam-injected edge walls create a unibody design that expands the sweet spot, improves durability, and enhances shot precision, while maintaining a balanced weight of around 7.9 to 8.2 ounces for easy maneuverability. Measuring about 16.25 inches in length and 7.7 inches in width, it offers a solid blend of reach and forgiveness, making it suitable for both power and control players. Each paddle also comes with a protective cover, adding value and convenience for storage and travel. Number 4. TENVINA Pickleball Paddles. The Dulce Dom Pickleball Paddles set of 2 features lightweight, premium fiberglass paddles with a polypropylene honeycomb core that provides excellent control and reduces noise for comfortable play. Designed with an ergonomic cushion grip, these paddles ensure a secure and comfortable hold, making them suitable for long matches. The set includes 2 USAPA-approved paddles, 2 outdoor pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag, making it perfect for beginners, intermediate, and professional players alike. With a balance of power, spin, and durability, this complete pickleball set is ideal for players of all skill levels looking for quality and performance on the court. Number 5. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Set. The Selkirk SLK set of 2 bundle offers an entry to intermediate quality paddle pair for players wanting a reliable performance without the premium price. You can pick between the SLK Neo Graphite, SLK Neo Fiberglass, or SLK Atlas Raw Carbon versions, all designed in the USA. The Neo line features a G4 control face, graphite or a graphite/fiberglass blend, Selkirk's SX3/SX4 polymer honeycomb core for improved sweet spot consistency, along with an ultra comfort grip to reduce fatigue. The Atlas model adds a raw carbon fiber face and raw spin technology, aiming for crisper feedback, more spin, and better placement accuracy. Paddle weights hover around the lightweight to midweight range, 7.5-8.1 Oz, making them maneuverable without sacrificing power, and each set generally includes extras like balls and a carry bag.